This is Sumba right here. So this is the lowest end of the lowest ends that I have, and I designed every single one of these. So it's kind of cool to see on paper my drawings and then for them to come out in production. It's like unbelievable. So this one here is Sumba, and it comes with a hybrid shaft. So they're all serial numbers, and David, Jacoby, and Brandon, they wanted the general public to play with the same equipment that I play with. So they all come with a Tiger tip sniper, because that's what I play with, so it's a layered tip. So we have, and they all come with joint protectors. So the shaft alone is, this is a $300 shaft alone. So this one is just all ebony black, and it has, of course, my logo on the bottom. So this cue is $785. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, love it.